Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. We're here to take a look at our garden and take a look at it what it was last year. And we're saying goodbye to our garden this year.
Andy's grown all our plants from seed this year, and they're doing so well. So here we have some beans to climb up the poles. So we have 3 teepees of beans. We've got, how many regular tomato plants?
30.
10, 20, 30 regular. And then we have this row of cucumbers in different stages of development. Look at the flowers are already on them. You don't get better than that. And then over here we have, how many cherry tomato?
30.
30 cherry tomato. Don't mind the mess. We're still working on the yard and building boxes. So there's one of the boxes he's built with the skids. Just got to get some dirt in it. We don't know yet what we're planting in there. And then over here is his carrot bed. Beautification will happen tomorrow if it's not raining, Andy. So these are the carrots. They'll be up shortly. Backside along the fence this year, normally we have the tomatoes all there. This year he's putting all his jalapeno peppers and banana peppers, and we can make lots of cowboy candy and sell it at the farmer's market. How many pepper plants do you figure?
That's a good one.
We need about 40.
20.
20? I want 40. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Look at the flowers. The cucumbers are already coming. Pickle, 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 pickle. This is what summer's about. The garden is really looking beautiful. Starting to get tomatoes. The beans are getting the final flower before they provide. Sunflowers against the nosy neighbor's house. Project wood. And then we got more green beans here. And more sunflowers. Our rainwater, we have 2 of them. And we have an Andy with citronella eyes. Okay, so here we are. We just planted radish. They should be done in 30 days. We're going to get a nice harvest of those. I'm going to be doing some pickling radishes as well as roasted. Are they ever good roasted? Everything's getting wild right now with the heat. Haven't let Andy do any lawn maintenance, so that ain't gardening much either. But look at the zucchini and cucumber. We've been, I think I got like 12 cans of beans up so far. Tomatoes are almost, they're going to be next week. The beans are still going. And today I'm going to be harvesting my lettuce. What we can't eat, I'll dehydrate for soups and stews and yum. Our mud head. Yeah, filling in. These chives to harvest as well, because it's planted like only half full of dirt. So all that height is good chives. God, look at the sunflowers. They are up to my boobies. They're booby flowers. They're doing so well. Look at that. But look at this. Look at the beans. Oh my God. Look how thick they are. This whole box is like puking beans. Thank God. Climbing up the wall are pretty flowers. And then in yellow, we have to put soap and water on them. All my tomatoes. Oh my God, I'm gonna be busy in August. And then look at these beans. These are more green. Climbing all up behind the tomatoes on the cattle panels. And look at the cherry tomatoes. We actually have some little tomatoes coming in. Actual tomatoes. Let's start with the sunflowers. Look how tall they're getting. It's interesting. They always get taller in the middle than they do on either end. I've noticed that every year.